Hi guys, I'm Nafisa for AskiFar.ng and today I'll be reviewing the S9 which I just got from PugLink. As you can see, the Samsung Galaxy S9 comes in a sleek black box. There's a quick guide manual. And here's the Samsung S9. This one's in lilac purple, which I'm absolutely obsessed with. The wall charger, the USB cord and the cable, an AKG earphone, and finally to the S9. The S9 has got an awesome design and great camera. It still has the wireless charging and fast charging, and of course the headphones jack. And let's not forget its waterproof resistance, which is great. You might want to get a skin pouch to avoid smudges on the phone. It has one of the best displays I've seen on a smartphone this year. Overall, the Samsung S9 gets an 8 because an Android phone doesn't get any better than the Samsung S9. It is simply sleek.